In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default option in the status property within Notion. Whether you are new to Notion or a seasoned user looking to customize your workspace, mastering this functionality can streamline your workflow and make managing tasks much more efficient. So let's dive in and get started. First, begin by navigating to your Notion workspace. You'll want to identify the specific database or page where you have the status property set up. Once you're there, locate the status you want to adjust. This is crucial because changing the default status helps keep your workflow organized and allows new entries to have the correct status right from the get-go. When you find the current status that you wish to change, click on it. This action will display more options related to that particular status. Next, you need to click on Edit Property. You will notice that this is where you can manage all the existing status options and make any necessary modifications. Now, look for a plus sign option, which allows you to add a new status. Clicking this will create a blank entry where you can name your new status according to your preferences. For example, if you are working on a project and need a status like In Progress or Awaiting Feedback, this is where you input that. Once the new status is created, be sure to rename it appropriately. Clear and descriptive naming is key here to ensure everyone involved in your workspace understands the purpose of each status. This can greatly reduce confusion and improve team collaboration. Now, click on the newly created status. Here's where we get into the vital part of setting this as the default option. You'll find the option to Set as Default. Selecting this ensures that any new item added to this page or database will automatically have this specific status, making it easier for you and your team to track progress without needing to manually update each entry. After setting the new status as the default, make sure to confirm your choice by clicking on Continue when prompted. This final step locks in your changes, and you can be confident that your new default setting is all ready to go. By following these steps, you've effectively customized your Notion workspace and tailored it to better fit your needs. And that's it. Changing the default option in your status property is a simple yet powerful way to personalize your Notion experience, helping you increase productivity and maintain a well-organized digital environment. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, happy organizing.